Okay, so I had to make this quick video because it was really imperative, and I actually learned about it on a coaching call in the membership that I joined to continue helping me build my website. More on that in probably another video or another announcement. But however, there is a way to put your website into maintenance mode during your web development process or your web building process, right? So it's a plugin and it's called WP, which stands for WordPress Maintenance Mode Plugin, right? So first things first, you know what you gotta do: log into your WordPress dashboard, then you go to plugins, add new, search. You're gonna type in maintenance mode into the search bar. The WordPress maintenance mode should pop up. Then you click on install, then you click on activate, right? Then you will be taken to another page which has the plugin pull up, and you're gonna click on settings under the plugin itself. Then you select activated. So there's a activated and a deactivated mode in this plugin, so you put it to activated. You're gonna scroll down to the bottom and select save changes. So once this plugin is activated, when people visit your site, a pop-up will show up sharing that this site is in maintenance mode, and they won't be able to see like you working on the website in real time, right? So this whole time I have been doing that, and I was always wondering why people were seeing my website, because I thought the settings to hide it from search engines was sufficient, but people could still find your website if they have your URL. I don't know how people from China and Brazil will find my website. So it was kind of weird, and some people were even staying on it longer. I think when I finally changed the layout again, more on that in another video, people were staying on it a little longer. Look a little prettier, look a little bit more like professional, and a lot more girly. That was not intentional, but it is what it is. So I have a lot more videos on my website building journey. Most of it has been on my iPad. Yes, this is true. However, today actually, or yesterday, since that in November, I went on the laptop and I was just clicking and doing things like so much faster. It was not buggy at all, so my laptop could still, take a little jamming. And I think coming down to the end to kind of finish up my website, I might do the bulk of it on the laptop itself. So you can subscribe for more videos on building your website, which is a big part of building your online business, which is imperative to making money online, which is what this channel is all about. So I'll see you in my next video.